Good morning, everybody. This is Jeff with Zama Carburetors. I want to tell you about a new item we're able to sell as a standalone product now. This carb stand, which has been included in the maintenance kit for the last year or so, is now available by itself. The list price is $69.99. Part number and list price is scrolling at the bottom of your video. If you haven't seen this product, there's nothing on the market like it. It acts as a third hand when you're working on a two-cycle carburetor. Almost all two-cycle carburetors will work on this carb stand. I really don't know of any brand that won't work on it. As you can see on this one, I have a W26, which is a larger carburetor. It fits on the carb stand just fine. And what this carb stand does is you have a main screw here and you have a secondary pin here. You will loosen this screw here up with a 5mm Allen wrench. Loosen it up. That then will loosen this secondary pin up, and the head then will rotate in any direction you would like for it to do. Slide your secondary pin in, tighten it up, and it locks it in the angle you need it to be to work on the carburetor. This is a great tool. We do recommend that you secure the base with either a C-clamp or place it in a vice grip to hold it securely when you're working on the carburetor. This is a rotary carburetor. It fits just fine. You can rotate it. You can rotate it back this direction and get yourself where you need to be. And it will act as, like I said before, a third hand, and it's a really useful tool. It's a solid steel. It weighs approximately 1 pound, and it is a very durable tool that will last many years for you, and it's nothing on the market like it today. So I hope you will consider purchasing this carburetor stand, and we also offer it in the maintenance kit. Thank you.